Before we start this video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn that bell for more videos like this. Today we are going to make some slime, just like this Bean Zoo one, but I'm not going to add any charms. So the first thing you need is some glue, any type of glue, white glue, glitter glue, any type of glue you have in your house. Well, some glues don't work, but I'm doing Elmer's glue and just putting just a little bit. The next thing you're going to do is add your food coloring. I'm going to do this pink. That's a lot of pink. And then when I do that, I add my activator here. It's not really that much. And then we get our control and it's all in this slime. I'm gonna add some glitter and start mixing again. You can put charms, that's optional, and the other stuff except the glue and activator is optional. This will take a while.